It's been exactly 2 seconds since I last had my fingers in my hair, so I decided that's absolutely long enough. I'm not even gonna lie to you, when I saw this video, it was immediate inspiration. I was like, yeah, that's next. So I got these clear beads from Joann's, and I have no idea how I'm going to attach them without using rubber bands yet, because I like using rubber bands on my hair is like a hard no. I never will do that again. I just feel like it's not good for your hair. It just always breaks my hair off. So that's an issue for later me, because me right now is going to do the braids and then later I'm going to put the beads in. But I'm working with freshly washed hair. I'm freezing, which is why I have a cup of tea, and I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna start braiding row by row, section by section. I usually start in the back of my head, get the worst part over with first, and then come up to the front. So I have these beads, wide tooth comb, small tooth comb, grease, and gel, which I'll probably use sparingly. I just want all the flyaways to lay flat, and then conditioner as well. Oh yeah, probably gonna need some hair ties just to separate the hair. I also have my mirror, and then I have another mirror so I can see the back of my head, and a laptop or TV on for entertainment. done braiding. They are not perfect, but I like them anyway just because it kind of reminds me of like a very young hairstyle, and I feel like it doesn't have to be super perfect. I really like how they came out. I love doing stuff like this that lets my scalp show right after I've just dyed my roots, because it looks really clean and neat. There's minimal black showing. I think I'm gonna take a break for the rest of today. My arms and my hands really hurt from holding up the mirror to see the back of my head. So tomorrow I will put in the beads. Okay, it's day 2 and we're back. Same old braids as last night. They've actually fully dried. Oh no. I've got the little crimp in them because I had them in a bun all day. That's okay. I think the beads are really gonna help weigh the braids down, which I really like. It's gonna give them some weight so that like when I shake my head, it's not so light. And I also can't wait for the noise of the beads to be like clacking together. I'm not one of those people that doesn't like their jewelry to make noise or that their shoes to be too loud when they walk. I don't mind. I don't care. I will be the loudest person in the room. Okay, so what I'm gonna try and do, since I don't like putting rubber bands in my hair, but I have no objection to thread. Yeah, I'm gonna do white. Hopefully this works out well. I'm just gonna try and loop the ends through the beads, tie up the first one, and then let the other beads slide down to like kind of lock it in place. I hope this stays. Wish me luck. All right, so after several, and I do mean several hours later, I am completely done with my whole head. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like it or do you love it? Anyway, I had so much fun trying to figure out how to put these beads in my head without using a rubber band, but you can really do this with only a couple crochet hooks. I didn't even need the string in the end because the string was just slowing me down, and I don't have the patience to be putting a bow tie in every single one. So it's gonna be interesting trying to find out which one I did put the string in. Anyway, let me go take cute pictures. Thanks for hanging out.